main man is back. NK Power is back with another YouTube poop. What is up, you guys? I'm Charmx, and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm going to be reacting to YTP, Pingu's nuclear-powered Belches cause global warming by NK Power. Now, I love NK Power. NK Power is one of the, there are a bunch of good YouTubers who do YouTube poops, and NK Power is definitely one of them, and definitely underrated in my opinion, so make sure you guys go subscribe to NK Power. That link's in the description, and hopefully this is going to be very funny. It is a Pingu YouTube poop, and I love Pingu, for those of you who don't know. Pingu is a great part of my childhood, but yeah, with that being said, the original link's in the description, and let's begin! This is already fantastic.
No!
Oh, that's awesome. Pingu's adorable. Pingu's adorable. I don't know why, I just love it. Look at it. Isn't that cute? Look at it. The little tiny beak and the big feet, the clown feet. One of the best, like, cartoons out. It's not even a cartoon, it's an animation, but, you know, one of the best childhood cartoons out there. Oh, that's right! That's right, I totally forgot that this was about Pingu's burping causing global warming. I totally forgot that, you know, the point of the video was that. I think the solution to global warming here is quite simple. We have to kill Pingu. I don't know why, but I always find NK Power's videos to always crack me up. Like, CS188. I always end up, like, losing it when I watch his videos. Anyway, I hope you guys did like this video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, pause it, and share it with a friend. If you're new, hit subscribe and join the family today, and also, make sure you go subscribe to NK Power. That link's in the description. And, I would love to see some more Pingu YouTube poops. I haven't seen any Pingu YouTube poops in quite some time now. Anyway, with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Boop!